My mom and I are ready to go. We're going to go head out to our overlanding trip. Mom, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, Mom's ready, so we're going to go. See you guys there. We're going to stop at In-N-Out to get some food before we head out. Are you hungry, Mom? She is hungry. All right, we just got to the property and I'm following Rick. All right, we made it to the site and it's awesome. It's way more than I expected. Rick was super helpful and super kind and to let us know about the property and all that cool stuff. But there are horses, there's donkeys, there's all sorts of animals here. And tomorrow we got a special guest, a wolf. We get to meet Wendy the wolf. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our camp ready. I'm gonna set up the tarp so we get some sort of shade because my mom is gonna use this toilet. She's a little shy about it, but she'll be okay. Mom, you'll do fine. Look, it's even a stool, Mom. Look at this, we've got a visitor here. Come here, boy or girl. Don't know yet what you are. Come here. Hey, how you doing? You're such a cutie, yeah. We have wood, Mom. Woo! Found a spot for the tent. It's gonna go right here. Woo! So he's got horses scattered all around the property, and it's pretty cool. These horses were trying to get our food in the bags. It was funny, and it scared my mom. I think she's inside the Jeep right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the sleeping bag, and then the pillows, and all that good stuff. I got the little stove set up for coffee or something later tonight. We can warm up with some food. Mom is right here relaxing. She collected wood and put it inside the fire pit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to head into town and see what's there because we're going to grab some food. We were going to cook here, but it's a little windy. My mom is kicking back by the tent. And I'm going to explore the area before we walk over here and make sure it's safe for her. The host of this property is amazing. He's such a nice guy, and he has a little backstory. He's actually written a book, and he's working on an audio version of his book, but he has lived with wolves for 17 years. How amazing is that? I think I've counted about 9 or 10 horses so far. Gonna head back and make sure my mom is okay. It was funny because when we got here, she was afraid of the horses and the dog, which is understandable. My mom is a city gal, not a nature gal, but you know, hanging with me enough, she'll probably learn to like it. Or at least adapt to it when we're out here, places like this. right, as you guys saw, my mom lit the fire, and it is getting dark, and it's kind of getting cold a little bit. I'm not really cold. My mom is a little bit cold. She's right there. She's doing her own videos. But yeah, so we've got the lights going on over here up on the trees. We're going to enjoy the rest of the night and enjoy our company. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. I slept pretty well. It was pretty cold last night. Mom slept pretty warm. And so I'm going to get up, make her some coffee. She's sleeping. Let's go take it. Pretty much have everything packed. My mom is still grabbing some of those, not walnuts, but the pecans. Yeah, she's grabbing pecans. Today I had briefly mentioned that we were gonna look at a wolf. I just confirmed it with Rick. We're gonna go head out right now and go meet him. Now, what about eye contact? Should I look at her?
Oh, not. Just, yeah. She's the friendliest thing you've ever met.
Oh, okay.
I will tell you that. Wendy, what do you think, Wendy? I don't know.
Hey.
You kiss him, don't you? Wendy. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see the resemblance there. With you. You knock over the thing and then you run.
All right, so I'm at Rick's house right now, and he's getting his book. He's going to tell you a little bit about his story.
And I'm with Jeep right this morning, and he wanted me to talk to you about my book. It's called The Hunter Chronicles. Obviously, the name is printed on it, but it's on Amazon and everything. The cool part is it's about the 17 and a half years that I lived with a wolf in my house, a timber wolf. And he was amazing. He was amazing. And then 10 months before he died, a little girl came into my life. And this is her today. And she is a little skittish right now because she can't figure out what the camera is. Her name is Windsong. And she's about 105 pounds. And she's an Iberian wolf. And she's a beauty. Wolves are the friendliest animals in the world. They just have a bad public relations guy. So the wolves howl to let the pack know where they are and that they're okay. The sound of a wolf's howl is the only sound in nature that doesn't echo. Why not? Well, it's a real purpose, because if it echoed, the rest of the pack wouldn't know where they were. And this way they can pinpoint where they are and that they're okay.
All right, everybody, that is it. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and my mom as well. And we will see y'all next time on Roam with Jeep.